Up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, this is the headline that has been posted by News 24, and it's very, very shocking. They are saying that Vusumuzi Matlala planned to build a luxury private terminal at OR Tambo Airport, and was in talks with Nedbank for funding to build that luxury private terminal. Very, very shocking. So what that means, is that this tunnel was to be used by the likes of Matlala, to arrive at the airport undetected or like unseen by others, and they can live, more of like, having your own entrance and exit, that is different from the general public, like you don't have to be brushing the shoulders with the public, you like you have your own. It's what I can um understand from this luxury private terminal. So this is very, very shocking because to me, to be able to get to this extent, to be in talks with Nedbank, you would have to have talked with somebody at OR Tambo Airport, that this is what you are planning to do. And there are reports, that they did visit OR Tambo Airport with the Nedbank officials, for a site visit. So they did obviously communicate with members there at OR Tambo, that we want to build this terminal here. Very, very shocking. So there are people, who are saying, but the Oppenheimers, they even have their own private luxury terminal there. So what is wrong, if Zumuzi tries to have his own? And I did research, and it's actually true. The Oppenheimer family, actually have their own private terminal at OR Tambo Airport, there. So they're saying it's a 7-star VIP facility, etc., and it's for wealthy travelers, like travelers who are rich, who want like exclusive lounges, meeting rooms, gym facilities there. So the terminal, as you can see here, 165 million rand terminal. So Vusumuzi Matlala tried to come in and build his own, and the difference, they're saying, what, it was an alleged criminal plot, that was exposed and never built. So as you can see here, they're saying the Oppenheimer Fireblade luxury terminal, it's real, it's there, but the one for Vusumuzi Matlala, which he tried to label, as the Green Lounge, it never materialized, because it was never constructed. So for the one for the Oppenheimer is there. So that is it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.